Asia's largest tulip garden, located in the foothills of Zabarwan, has opened to the public, featuring a vibrant display of tulips in various colors. The garden has attracted over 10 lakh visitors this year, surpassing previous records. The garden, managed by the Department of Floriculture, now offers online and offline ticket booking to accommodate the large crowd. It has grown significantly since its inception in 2007, now featuring 1.7 million tulip bulbs across 55 acres. Take a look at this report for more.
Tulips of every shade in full bloom, tourists pouring in by the thousands, some busy clicking selfies, others simply soaking in the beauty. These are the vibrant scenes from Asia's largest tulip garden, nestled at the foothills of the Zabarwan Mountains in Srinagar. Since its opening on March 26, the garden has already welcomed 2.5 lakh visitors. The Department of Floriculture said the garden has drawn impressive footfall with a steady influx of both domestic and international tourists.
We have received an overwhelming response from the tourists, visitors, both from the country and abroad. Almost 2+ lakh tourists, 2.5 lakh tourists have visited this time, this iconic garden, making it a history. Tulip Garden basically has its own history of breaking its previous records, and we are hopeful that a substantial footfall will be witnessed this year.
The department is hopeful that all previous records will be broken this year as more and more tourists continue to throng the iconic garden. As for the bloom, officials said weather conditions have been favorable so far, and with some intermittent rain, the tulips may last for up to 30 days.
Its blooming period depends entirely on temperature, from the month of the March to April, and currently it's very congenial conditions over cloudy. If intermittent rains are there and sunshine is very a bit less, then it will last for 25 to 30 days.
So the overall response is?
We are overwhelmed, and we are very thankful to people who, particularly outside our J&K, who have visited this and being a part of the festival. It's basically a spring festival. We are really overwhelmed.
This year, 74 varieties of tulips are on display, along with vibrant spring blooms like hyacinths, daffodils, muscari, and cyclamens across the garden. More than 4.65 lakh visitors explored the garden last year, while the footfall in 2023 stood at 3.65 lakh.
Well,